Let's look at how to start a blog using Blogger. It's a very simple process. You need to just go to blogger.com and create a blog. So let me just show you how to do that. So just go to blogger.com and you can use your Gmail ID to log in. So let's do that right now. I'll go to blogger.com. I'll click on create your blog. Once you say that it'll ask you to log in, I'm going to use my Gmail ID, which makes it very simple for me to create the blog. So let me do that. Let me log in into the account. And using a Gmail ID will always make sure that you have uniformity if you're using channels like Blogger, YouTube, and so whenever you have a blog topic, just create a separate Gmail account and use that Gmail. So for this, if it is like blogger, I want to create a blog, so I will create like Indianmomvlogs at gmail.com, and that is what I'm going to use to create a blog. So this is how you create. So I have created a blog called start a blog already, so I will show you how to create another blog. Just go to create a new blog, give it a title like say test, and then click on next. This is the title of your blog, and check if your blog is available, and if it is, it will say it is available. If it's not, it will say it's not. Okay, so we are just checking. Looks like many people have tested it out similarly. So if it is available, it will say this blog is available. Then click on save, and that's it. You have created your new blog using Blogger. It's very simple and straightforward. Now we can add different posts to the blog. On the top left hand corner, you can see an option to add posts. First of all, let me just walk you through the settings. So this is the test title of your blog. You can always change the title there. This is the description of your blog. Put a keyword rich description here for your blog. And to go to the blog, you can always go to the settings here and uh, find the URL of the blog. You can also go to the settings and make sure that the blog language is the blog language you want to be in. We will not be talking about the Google Analytics right now. Make sure that it is visible to the search engines, and this is your blog address. So you can just copy this testblog.blogspot.com and go to your uh, uh, the the URL will always be this dot blogspot.com. That will be your blogger URL. So you can just copy that and go to that URL. So let me go to that URL, and that will be my blog. So your blog is ready. It is just a test blog. There's nothing here. I had added this description as keyword, so that's what is showing up. And to add a post, you just have to create new post and give a title for the post. This is the post. And you can add content here, and when you think it is ready, you can hit on publish. Once you publish it, if you go to your blog, refresh your blog, the post should turn up here. So like if you click here, you'll be able to read the post. So that's it. That was how to start a blog using Blogger.